Okay, so this is how we're gonna do the rekeying on this, okay? Now watch this. You take the original key that it comes with, stick it in, turn it so that it opens, leave it in that turned position, take the key shim that it comes with, try not to drop it on the floor like I did, stick it in the slot, and then pull this key out, take your shim out, take the key you want to rekey it to, and that key should go right in, lock it up, and now the house key will work with that lock. And the key that it came with will no longer work with it. All because of this.